Hello everyone, this is Derbe. In this video, I'm going to illustrate how to specify a higher order construct in SmartPLS form. After the successful completion of this video, you will be able to specify higher order construct using the disjoint two-stage approach in SmartPLS form. We proceed to the practical working example by using this model. My colleague and I wanted to conduct a study on modeling government performance as a higher order construct and its effect on public trust in sub-Saharan African countries. Does social trust matter? This is our topic. Our data set is the secondary data from Afrobarometer data set. Our model is we have the lower order constructs, 4 components of government performance. We assume these 4 components, the economic, social, democratic, and environmental performance as distinct functions of a modern government. As a result, we conceptualize government performance as a formative higher order construct from these 4 components. The dependent variable is public trust, and we assume social trust as the moderator in the model. In SmartPLS 4, let me quickly illustrate how to specify or model a higher order construct, which is government performance, in this case, using the disjoint two-stage approach. We follow 2 stages. In the first stage, in the absence of a higher order construct, we connect the relevant arrows among the variables of interest and we estimate the latent variable scores. In the second step, we estimate or model or specify higher order construct based on the generated scores of lower order construct in the first step. Let us draw the model without a higher order construct. If we don't have higher order construct, obviously all these lower order constructs are assumed as the independent variables. So we link all lower order constructs to the dependent variable, which is public trust. So using the connect command, we just draw the arrow, we draw a diagram. Since we don't need the moderation issue in this context, because our interest is to specify higher order construct, so we don't need to draw the arrow to this line. We use the PLS algorithm procedure, then start calculation. Once the algorithm procedure is completed, we get a newly created data file by the SmartPLS 4, which is available at the top of the SmartPLS 4 interface. Click this command, new dialog box is opened. Make sure that the manifest variable scores and latent variable scores are selected or ticked. Click create. Automatically, the SmartPLS 4 create a new data set. If you just click this one, as you can see, this is the original data set, but this is created by the system itself. It says data set derived from PLS results. And now we select this one, where we get the scores of the lower order constructs. Which is the scores for all lower order constructs are created by the system itself for democratic performance, for economic performance, environmental, public trust, social performance, social trust. For all constructs, the scores are created. Now we create a new model based on the lower order construct scores. So we need to remove this model, just select it, and then delete all these arrows. We delete. Now we don't need this lower order constructs. Rather, they are represented by the latent variable scores. Using latent variable scores of the lower order construct, we create higher order construct. Now we create the higher order construct formatively, in our case, order construct, just from we select the democratic, then economic. It is in alphabetical order, so using the control key, then environmental, we have also social performance, the 4 indicators. Select and drag here. Our higher order construct is government performance. By using the latent variable scores, the 4 lower order constructs, we have specified a higher order construct, which is government performance. By default, the SmartPLS 4 uses reflective measurement model, but our operationalization of this concept is formative measurement model. Therefore, you need to select this one, and you have to invert measurement model here. At this time, it is reflective, so invert it would be formative. Good. The next would be just to draw our model. And as you can see, we have government performance, a higher order construct. We have again the lower order construct scores using here connect, and then we connect to public interest, which is the dependent variable. And we have again social trust as moderator. We connect it, the moderator. Just we draw the arrow to the line that goes from government performance to public trust. So this is the way how to specify formative higher order construct using disjoint two-stage approach. For further reading, the following references are particularly important. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.